Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be unboxing the LG Rebel from Tracfone. So I got this phone from Best Buy for $20. But this phone normally costs around $70. So with this phone you get triple the talk, text, and data. This phone is an Android smartphone. It has a 4.5-inch touchscreen. It comes with Android 5.1 Lollipop. It has a 5 megapixel camera and a 2 megapixel front facing camera, and it's Wi-Fi compatible. This phone also triples the talk, text, and data. So for example, I have this 60-minute card for it. So instead of adding 60 minutes to it, it would add 180 minutes. So that's pretty good. So next I'm going to open it up and show you the inside here. This is what it looks like in the box. And down at the bottom it lists all the features of this phone. 4G LTE, Android 5.1 Lollipop, 1.1 gigahertz quad core processor, 5 megapixel camera, 2 megapixel front facing camera, Wi-Fi capable, Bluetooth 4.1 wireless technology, hearing aid compatible, access to over millions of apps and more on Google Play, supports Microsd memory card up to 32 gigabytes, not included, GPS, proximity sensor, 9 hours of battery talk time, standby time up to 9 days, internal memory 8 gigabytes, includes activation card, service guide, charger, and quick start guide. So now let's get on with the actual unboxing of this phone. This is all the information it comes with. And this is the battery that it comes with. This is the back cover to the phone. A quick start guide. And the charger. The adapter and the cable, the USB cable. And of course we have the phone. So I'm going to go ahead and put the battery in, and then I'll close it up and turn it on. This is where the microSD card goes, right here. The speaker is down here on the bottom, the camera up here, and I think that's a flash next to the camera on the right. Oh, let me take this sticker off of the phone. And the camera is up there on the top right corner of the phone. This phone will actually be replacing my old phone, which is also from Tracfone. It's the Samsung Galaxy Stardust. So this is the comparison side by side. You can see it's a little bit bigger than the Samsung Galaxy Stardust. So that was the unboxing of the LG Rebel for Tracfone.